everybody to the video of this BMW R1200GS TE exclusive low chassis. This is a 17 plate with just under 14,400 miles on the clock, and it is in beautiful condition. Being the exclusive, it's the range topping model with loads of goodies on it from new, so I will go through them and forgive me if I miss anything. Obviously it's got the stonking 1200 engine that they've used forever, absolutely bulletproof, ride beautifully. Being the low chassis, the seat on this is about an inch lower than standard. It obviously has 3 height adjustments as well. This is on the lowest, so it really is low. You better get your feet flat on the floor on this. Spec wise from the factory, they come with keyless ignition, sat nav prep. There's no sat nav with it, but if you buy one it'll go straight onto there. They come with traction control, ABS, auto blipper and quick shifter, which is basically clutchless gear change up and down. Electronic suspension, so at the touch of a button you can make it stiffer or softer depending on whether you've got a passenger, luggage, soft roads, bumpy roads, smooth roads. So dead easy to ride, cruise control as well, heated grips. Is that it, Mr. Cameraman? I think that's about it, isn't it? Yeah, he's nodding. Yeah, I don't think I've missed anything. Condition wise, it's beautiful, really nice clean bike, being looked after, full service history as well. So if it's one of these you're looking for, I don't think you'll find a nicer one. So come on down or give us a call and get this bad boy bought. My name is Nick and thank you so much for watching the video this far in. The bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine tooth comb. We are really fussy, and it will come with a 3-month warranty. You can upgrade that to a 1-year or a 2-year warranty if you wish, and we offer finance and PCP subject to status. If you do want a more detailed walk around video looking at all the nooks and crannies, then give us a call and we can do that for you as well. Okay, thank you for watching. Give us a ring and buy it.